Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check clicks on Amazon Affiliate. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to affiliate/program.amazon.com, and you will be directed under this Amazon Associates, in which it is the affiliate marketing program run by Amazon. And below here it will show you how you can sign up, in which it will show you the step-by-step process on how to do it and how you can start earning money. And now to proceed signing up, just click the sign up button and you will be directed on this page. And from here, to create your Amazon Associate account, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information under account info, website and mobile app list, profile. Start using Associate Central step, in which all you need to do from here is to simply fill out all of the required information in here. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. So this is basically what the Amazon Associate homepage looks like. And below here, it will show you the graph of earnings overview for the last 30 days, in which below here it will also show you your total commissions, total bounties, and also the number of clicks you got on your Amazon affiliate account. So you should see here basically all of the info, including the number of clicks that is presented in graphic or line graph under this earning overview. And as you can see on the right side panel, it will also show you the summary for this month, including your total item shipped, total earnings, total order items, and also number of clicks and conversion. And if you want to see the full report of this summary, just click this view full report, hyperlink text, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, it will show you the summary, the commission, the bounties. While under commission summary, it will show you the total clicks you got from affiliating. And it is important to know the number of clicks generated through the Amazon affiliate links for performance evaluation, conversion rates, identifying the trends, for revenue forecasting, and also optimization opportunities as an affiliate. So basically, that is just how you can check the clicks on Amazon affiliate. If you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.